In this video, we will learn how to create a landing page. Once inside of the 360 NRS main dashboard, we will click on this Media Manager button. We could choose from any landing page we created in the past, or you can always choose one of the different images created by our design team. For the purpose of this video though, we will click on New Template. In the leftover part, we can see that we can edit the name of our landing page. You can always choose autosave to avoid the risk of losing any information. This is a super simple and easy drag and drop system based on 3 different elements: blocks, content, and property. Let's rename our landing page first. And then let's drag and drop some blocks. Once you have the blocks you want, you can edit the content of each one of them by clicking on a content ribbon. Let's put a text on the header block. And we can add a new video on the block right below it. If you don't like a thumbnail, let's just change it. We can add a couple images and a call to action. Social network channels and a QR code. You can always change your blocks by clicking on one block that doesn't have any content. Let's make this last one a 2-column block. And we're gonna add some text on it. And lastly, a cancel service option. Once you're done editing your landing page, just go ahead and click on Save.